Join me as I take on the challenge of celebrating Black history every single day of the year with the Comradery Health Agency. Let's talk about something real for a second. We all know that February is Black History Month, but what about the other 11 months of the year? Shouldn't we be celebrating the achievements, contributions, and rich cultural heritage of Black people all year long? That's exactly what Comradery Health Agency is all about. Unfortunately, after February, Black history often gets pushed to the back burner, and we're left with a shallow understanding of our collective past. The truth is, Black history is American history, and it's essential we acknowledge and learn from it year-round, not just during a designated month. By doing so, we can break down barriers, foster greater empathy, and build stronger, more inclusive communities. But here's the thing. It's easy to get stuck in the habit of only celebrating Black history in February. We might attend a few events, read a few books, or share some inspirational quotes on social media, but once March rolls around, we often forget to continue the conversation. That's precisely why we need to challenge ourselves to keep the momentum going, to keep the spotlight on Black excellence and achievement 365 days a year. So, what's at stake here? If we only celebrate Black history for 1 month, we risk reducing it to a token gesture, rather than a meaningful exploration of our collective humanity. We need to hold ourselves accountable for continuing the conversation, for seeking out new knowledge, and for taking action to dismantle systemic racism and inequality. The more we learn, the more we grow, and the more we can work together to build a brighter future for everyone. When we choose to celebrate Black history all year long, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. We might attend a cultural festival in April, participate in a community cleanup event in June, or even start a book club focused on Black authors and stories. The key is to find ways to engage, educate, and uplift each other, not just in February, but every single day. Imagine attending a school program that teaches Black history as a core part of the curriculum, not just an add-on. Imagine watching documentaries that highlight the contributions of Black scientists, artists, and activists, not just in February, but as part of our regular media diet. Imagine having real, honest conversations about racism, privilege, and bias, and working together to build a more just and equitable society. One powerful example that comes to mind is the work of the Comradery Health Agency, which has been on the front lines of promoting Black wellness and celebrating Black history year-round. Their community events, educational programs, and partnerships have made a tangible impact on people's lives. So, what did we learn today? We learned that celebrating Black history is not just a February thing. It's a year-round commitment to learning, growing, and uplifting each other. We learned that by doing so, we can build stronger, more inclusive communities and work towards a brighter future. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you have ideas for celebrating Black history, share them with me in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and inspire each other to make a positive impact. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more engaging content, and let's do this. You are invited to subscribe to Comradery Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.comraderyhealthagency.com.